If you're preparing for an uncontested divorce in Georgia, one of the biggest mistakes you can make is filing before you're actually ready. Not because the court needs a stack of documents, but because you and your spouse need clear information to reach a solid agreement. This video is for Georgia spouses who want a smooth, efficient, uncontested divorce and want to make sure they're fully prepared before filing. Number one, start with the personal and financial basics. To file in Georgia, one spouse must have lived in the state for at least 6 months. You usually don't need to submit proof with your initial filing, but you do need to meet that requirement. More importantly, before negotiating your agreement, gather these documents: current bank account balances, retirement account balances, mortgage payoff information, credit card and loan balances. You're not gathering these for court disclosures. You're gathering them so you and your spouse can understand your net worth and divide your assets and debts fairly and intelligently. Number two, if you have children, gather the right financial and parenting details. For an uncontested divorce involving kids, you will need both parents' gross monthly incomes, monthly child care costs, the portion of the health insurance premiums attributable to the children, and a proposed parenting schedule. You'll also need to complete 3 required documents: a parenting plan, a child support addendum, and a Georgia child support worksheet. The court must have these to finalize your divorce, so getting this information organized early makes everything smoother. Number 3, clarify real estate, vehicles, and personal property. If you own a home, gather a recent mortgage statement and determine an estimated value. If you don't have an appraisal, looking at multiple sources like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com can help you get a reasonable estimate. For vehicles, jewelry, furniture, and other large personal items, decide who keeps what. You don't have to divide things plate by plate, fork by fork, but you should have a clear method for resolving remaining items, whether that's alternating selections, agreeing in advance, or using a neutral third party if necessary. Clarity first prevents conflict later. Number 4, organization speeds everything up. Your agreement becomes the foundation of your legal documents. When your financial terms are clear, and if you have children, your parenting plan, child support worksheet, and child support addendum are complete, your uncontested divorce can move from filing to final decree in as little as 30 to 60 days. Preparation doesn't just reduce stress, it reduces delays. If you want to make sure you're preparing the right way and not overcomplicating or overlooking anything, schedule a consultation with Aaron Thomas Law. We'll guide you step by step, make sure your agreement is solid, and help you finalize your Georgia uncontested divorce the right way.